Okay guys, so ito na yung part 2 natin. So this time i-edit natin yung excuse me, i-edit natin yung messages na para bang bot or automated na response natin kasi nga hindi natin, yung goal natin is na to run this ad na automatically, meaning parang may nagre-reply din sa iyo na para bang customer service mo pero automated lang din pala siya. So in order for us to do that is we need to click here sa ating edit. Click here sa edit. Just wait for it to load and okay, load lang natin yan guys. Just for a minute. Actually, okay, go. So, ito yung client natin guys. So, okay, so ito yung automatic na response. Hi Camille, so since I'm doing the ad, yung wifey ko ang gumawa nito. So, please let us know please let us know how we can help you. So, pwede natin i-edit yan. So, ito yung mangyari na once ma-click na lang yung message or send message now, ito yung mangyari. Make ads PH. Nakalagay dyan, hi Camille, please let us know how we can help you. And then, pwede tayong gagawa na para bang frequently asked question. I'm interested. Dito sa example, I'm interested. Can you please tell me more? How much does this cost? Where are you located? So, pwede natin i-edit yung mga responses natin guys. For example, I'm interested. Can you tell me more? Okay, so let's say for example, lagyan natin ng automated response. Medyo hang din kasi ito guys eh. So, the course is only $999. So, up to I think 200 yung pwede mo malagay. 200 na characters yung pwede mo ma-response dito guys. So, actually, natapos na ako nag-type pero hindi pa siya nag-reflect. Ito rin kasi yung downside ng Facebook ads dito sa Messenger. Kasi when you're writing here sa frequently asked question, ang bagal niya mag-load. So, ito na yung nangyari guys. So, ang gawin na lang natin is gagawa tayo ng copy dito. Okay, so ang question natin dyan, actually pwede natin i-change yung question din natin if you want. Okay, so ito na, nakalagay dyan, the course is only $999. Okay, so just for the purpose of presentation lang din, pwede mo pa siyang lagyan ng mga additional text. Since nasagot ko ng ang presyo nila, pwede ko nang i-delete ito. Boom. Delete. So, yun, wala na tayong question number 2. So, where are you located? So, we are located in Makati City. Just for example, hindi naman ako taga Makati. Nakapunta lang ako ng Makati, siguro 3 times lang. Okay. So, lagay natin na automated. Where are you located? We are located. Copy-paste na natin yung guys. In Makati City. So, for example, so every time na mag-click sila nito, I'm interested, can you tell me more? May nakalagay tayo na answer dyan, di ba, sa taas kanina. Ito, the course is only $999. Yan. And then, where are you located? Pero yung mga text ko dito, guys, is very basic lang din. If you can still remember dun sa mga text na nung nag-apply kayo sa Homebase Connect, na message kayo, makikita nyo marami kaming text na ilagay dun. Kasi nga, we really made sure na yung text na, or yung messages na ma-receive nyo is para bang naka-construct na lahat and may detail na talaga para yung mag-question sa amin, hindi na ko-question pa ng marami. Kasi nga, kung marami kasi nagme-message, mahirap din siya replyan isa-isa. So, as much as possible, yung ilagay yung mga detail ito ng mga responses, guys, is dapat yung mga detail talaga regarding about your business. So, that way, it's easier for you na para bang maging at least 20% automated yung business mo when it comes to running your ads. Okay? So, once you're done with that, you can save the template and then save and publish. Boom. There you have it. So, yan ang ating message na guys. So, example, mag-message si Camille sa atin. Ito yung respond niya. Hi Camille, please let us know how we can help you. Then, pag i-click ni Camille yung hi, I'm interested. Can you tell me more? Mag-reply automatic yun. The course is only 999 pesos. And where are you located? Ba, i-click naman niya ito. Automatic din mag-reply si Facebook Messenger ng we are located in Makati. Right. So that's how you're going to set up your automated na mga chatbot natin, guys. Later on, I'm gonna be talking about that sa mga next na mga videos doon sa advanced natin sa Facebook ads series natin. And this is only the beginner part, and I'll be doing some videos din sa mga advanced part natin, guys. So be sure to stick around. And yeah, after doing that one, if you're good with this, last check natin, guys, sa above natin. Kung okay ka na sa lahat ng mga details sa baba, sa taas, check natin. Make sure, this is really important, na yung i-type mo dito ng Facebook page is talagang Facebook page mo, kasi pag hindi, malaking kasalanan yan sa mga bossing mo, right? Sa mga client mo, guys, malaking kasalanan yan. Natry ko rin yan, nag-run ako ng ads na worth siguro $200, pero yung page name, Facebook page na nalagay ko is ibang Facebook page, hindi sa client ko, yung ibang client ko. So galit na galit sila, but anyway, to make the long story short, napatawad din nila ako kasi nga may mga times din na para bang magkamali ka rin. So inaccept ko yung kasalanan ko, pero the good thing about it was hindi pa nag-spend yung ad na yun. Okay, so once you're good with that, you can click on publish. And last check natin, guys, kung okay ba talaga yung ad natin, and i-check natin yung ad preview. Ito na yung preview natin, guys. So yeah, I think this is really decent na. Learn to grow your business for only $999. Boom. So clickable ba siya, guys? Clickable ba? I think clickable naman. So yeah, I think we can go with this. And once you're good with that, you can click on publish. And then I think hindi pa ito gagana kasi nga hindi pa yun na active yung payment detail na lagay ko doon. Pero later sa mga video natin, guys, I'll show you kung ano ba yung mga different ways on how to create Facebook ads as well. So hindi lang tong video natin ang pakinggan natin, panoorin natin marami pang videos along the way. And yeah, so see you sa next videos natin, guys, and try natin ma-publish to kung ma-publish ba. Pero ang bet ko is hindi. Okay, yun. Hinanapan pa rin ako ng kanyang payment method. Kasi nga, yung payment method ko, hindi in-accept dito sa ad account ni Camille, sa wife ko. Dito siya nakalagay sa aking isa na ad account. Okay? So, that's it for this episode, guys. So, see you sa mga next episode natin. And God bless everybody.